Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 24th of January, 2023. Man, look at the run that Bitcoin did. Fantastic. Great. Like, we actually caught the market exploding before it actually happened. You guys can see I had a price prediction on my chart in Bitcoin on the 10th of January, 2023 with the ultimate TP price around $18,400. Look at where price is now, though, around $23,000. So if we were to get out this particular price prediction right now, look at that. That's 32% profit right there. So either way it go, you guys can time the market. Don't believe people when they say that you can't do this. This is evidence that you can also learn how to predict and forecast price movement before the market moves so that you can capitalize on moves like this. Let's go and get rid of that because now we need to talk. I mean, that was a great run. And now we're seeing how price in Bitcoin, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to show you where price is getting rejected. Okay. So now we're kind of seeing the market in Bitcoin pump brakes. Okay. Now, do you think it's going to have enough gas in the tank to move it up here? What do you think? Because that's where I'm going to place it at now. I'm going to move this newest resistance area in the market in Bitcoin around $24,000. I know there's been a couple of videos, a couple of articles being written saying that Bitcoin is due for a correction, is due to come back down. But I want you all to see this though. Okay, like if I just simply extend these two lines, you guys can tell that the market in Bitcoin is simply trading within those two areas. So it's consolidating more than it being in a downtrend now. Now, we were in a downtrend back here in 2021, beginning of 2022, but now you guys can see that we're just simply consolidated within two lines. That is how the market begins its next bull market run, or it's going to begin its next down leg. Yeah, so let's go ahead and look at this on a different time frame. First, in Bitcoin, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this lower line here. Okay, and then we're going to get back in and fix these lines there. And let's look at the market in Bitcoin on the 3-weekly chart. Okay, now this gives us a lot of information. First of all, okay. And I want you all to see this 3-weekly price bar in Bitcoin right there. You see that? Can you guys see how wide that spread bar is in Bitcoin? That tells us that the market participants really moved the price up. Like they were really interested in saying that the price of Bitcoin down here around $16,500 is too cheap. It's too cheap. So let me go ahead and buy some of it and let me move this market to where the market is equal in the value of what people perceive Bitcoin is worth right now. So the overall market is perceiving that Bitcoin is worth $22,000, almost $23,000 per Bitcoin. Now, looking at this on the 3-weekly chart, it kind of resembles that price. The market may value Bitcoin around $25,000 from a 3-weekly price chart, though. Look at this on the 2 weeks. This is why Bitcoin continues to show us that Bitcoin is cheap down there around $20,000. So the market is trying to go to an area that people value Bitcoin. Obviously, the market values Bitcoin around $22,891 right now. Will they have enough momentum to push it up here towards $24,500, $25,000? Well, from the 2-weekly chart and the 3-weekly chart, that definitely looks to be the case. Okay, look at this on the monthly chart. Now we got 7 days left, so I'm not going to be dependent on it, but that monthly price bar for January in Bitcoin also tells us that the momentum is switching. Okay, look at this on the weekly chart. So the market currently is still bullish in Bitcoin. I don't see any emphasis on market weakness just yet. Okay, looking at the spread of the last 2 weeks, I would caution though that we are about to embrace some selling around $24,000, $24,500 or so. So yes, be prepared for price to begin its descension, and we need to see determination of buyers initially right here. I'm going to show you where buyers need to hold price in Bitcoin. And it looks like it's going to be around $22,000. That's my first area that buyers should not let price break. No lower than 20. I'm just saying, be prepared for price to come down because we already saw a fantastic run up. People will take profit. So buyers need to confirm that they're willing to move market higher They need to hold price at $22,000 first. If they don't do that, no lower than 20. I'm just here to tell you that now. Okay. So let's go ahead and look at this on a couple of daily time frames. So yes, there's still some selling coming to the market in Bitcoin. And I'm looking at this on the 3-hour chart. And that's why I'm here to tell you now to be prepared for some selling to come through, because charts don't lie. This is where the market in Bitcoin currently is seeing sellers. This is very powerful information. Look at it. I'm zoom in. There's a reason why price in Bitcoin could not trade above $23,200. You know that, right? And there's only one thing that could stop the market from going up. It's because people are selling there. There's more sellers here at $23,200 for Bitcoin than there are buyers right now. So that's why we're currently seeing the market in Bitcoin just consolidate. Okay. So if I were to time the market, like if right now would be the time to buy Bitcoin, I would have to say no. We need to continue to see the market strength come in Bitcoin here. Okay. We need to continue to see this. So like when I see volume bars and price bars like this for Bitcoin, and the market doesn't go down, it tells it, and it goes right back up on the next hourly bar. It tells me that the buyers are still buying Bitcoin here. So if we see Bitcoin break 22,006 or 22,004, we're going to go a lot lower. That's why I told you already that the market should not break $22,000 or even 20. Okay, so be prepared for this from out the gate. From out the gate, be prepared for price in Bitcoin to go lower. But I'm playing this price prediction today, January the 24th, 2023, for the long term. Now, my long term prognosis is on the 3 weeks, 2 weeks time frame. So I'm getting the market around that time to show us that it's willing to go up. Okay. And I told you that price, we don't want to see price trade anywhere below $20,000 on weakness. Okay. Now, my first price target is going to be up here around 24,400 or so, 24,000, even around this vicinity. My second one's going to be around 25. Okay. Now I'm giving the market 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks to play this out. But the sooner I see buyers not hold $22,000, the sooner that I see buyers not holding $20,000, I know this play is not going to come to fruition. I already know it. So from a probabilistic basis, I'm prepared to see price in Bitcoin initially go down. Now, if I see the market like tomorrow or the day after tomorrow do something like this on weakness, come straight down immediately, then I already know that this price prediction is not going to be right. But if I see the market in Bitcoin hover and hold and consolidate and slowly inch higher, then I know that the buyers are still controlling the price and that they're still interested in moving the market higher. This is how you have to view the market. You got to have a plan and idea as to how this market is going to trend. So rather than me holding this line down here, we're going to do a trend line. And let's keep it real. We are definitely breaking away from the current trend. This market has definitely diverted away from what started back in the beginning of January. Look at this. This market is massively strong and it's about due for the price to come down to ground level. I'll just say that. So that's why I'm trying to get a market at least 2 weeks, 3 weeks to let this actually come to fruition for Bitcoin, because I'm definitely seeing some selling coming to the market right now with Bitcoin. Okay, so that is it. Give me your thoughts though. Let me know how you guys think the price in Bitcoin is going to move. So for me, as a prediction, initially I'm looking for price to go down. Okay, but in the next 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I'm prepared to at least try to see this market run back up to 24,000, 24,500, or even $25,000. And then from there, we'll have to come back in and talk for the market in Bitcoin. All right, so give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.